In option number 1, we were able to add our Telegram numbers to the robot. Option 2 and 37 allows us to check for spam or banned accounts in the robot. Option number 3 allows us to remove some number from the robot. Options 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are options to add members using a group link. To extract members and add to your group, each option uses a filter to extract active members. Options 13 and 14 puts replies and views on posts. There are some options to add photos to accounts, name, change password, and others. Option number 19 sends mass messages to members' private accounts. Further down, there are options that allow you to add members in different ways, without needing links from a group to bring the members. In addition, there are also functions to clone group chat, create, join, and leave groups.